Hello, friends. As you know, a good beginning is a half ending. So, start your year 2026 with a great beginning, with 100% clarity and 0% confusion. For that purpose, you have to discover a career sure path and take your clear, practical first step towards becoming industry ready. For that purpose, as my contribution, I am providing to you a free Python 4 hours masterclass. This is the first of its kind in the programming domain. Otherwise, you can verify and realize. This 4 hours masterclass empower you to write, develop 6 Python projects on your own. You think like a professional and work like a professional. For this purpose, I don't expect any programming background. Think of this masterclass like a small plant. You nourish it with care, grow it organically, and protect it with patience. One day it can grow into a strong tree, just like a bright and stable career. It gives shade throughout your life. This is not my promise. This is a possibility, 100% possibility is there. Take this as a prompt to 2026. Make a factual resolution. Before investing your money, time, and effort for a IT training, you test this 4 hours masterclass. Just 4 hours masterclass, which is first of its kind in the programming world. No doubt about that. And this is just 4 hours out of 8,760 hours in a year. Then, if you are able to clear that, you can take it as granted. This is the fitness test for your IT career and then proceed. Before moving forward, all of you must know a fact. Whatever training system or learning system you are pursuing were developed for a Western student, not for Indian students. Because of that reason, majority Indian students, even after having lot of knowledge and skills, they are not able to grab right opportunities and all that. That's why I have developed this Vintage organic learning system, which is tailored to the way Indian students learn, think, and grow. That point you have to understand. And under this program, I am offering you 2 vital courses which are having high demand and evergreen demand. Those are Python and Excel. And for this purpose, I have given a detailed video because you must know everything is new to you. I have recorded a detailed video and uploaded. You watch the video before proceeding further. As my New Year gift, I am presenting this Python masterclass to all the student community, especially IT career aspirants, as a 4 hours hands-on experience. Just 4 hours. This is the first of its kind in the world of programming. Otherwise, you verify and realize. Here, one principle I have to tell you: slow and steady wins the race. In programming domain, it is applicable 100%. That's why take up only half an hour. I have divided the entire 4 hours masterclass into 8 30 minutes training sessions. Daily finish one training session and finish the whole within 8 days. Then, if you are able to clear it, then you can take it as granted. You are 100% deserved to aspire a rewarding IT career. Actually, one recommendation I have to make: you download the ebook. Download the ebook and take the hard copy. It is not an ordinary ebook and all that. It contains everything. It provides you study notes. It provides you video lectures, program, projects, updates, everything it provides and all that. Take a hard copy and proceed and finish it maximum within 8 days. I have developed this master class as a generic class. That means it is applicable to all types of learners. According to me, all learners can be classified into 3 groups. The first group just want to learn Python. Normally, these are college goers. For their curriculum sake, for their exam sake, they study and all that. This is the perfect one for them. Actually, their college curriculum and all that, a small subset of this, but they can comfortably learn Python here. Second one is Master Python. Actually, some other professionals or employees who are in a different domain and all that, they want to learn, they want to master Python, not just learning like college students and all that. They want to master Python. So, for them, what system and strategy required and all that, all are incorporated in this. They can understand the clear path. Third one, majority group is industry ready. Actually, these people want to become industry ready to earn a rewarding career and all that. But just mastering is not enough. Mastering plus plus is required. For this purpose, showcasing their knowledge and skills is very essential and all that. For that, few more steps like earning global certification, etc. are there. That path also is provided in there. That's why it I call it as universal, a generic system. It is applicable and useful for all types of learners. What next? After clearing Python masterclass. This Python masterclass is like a fitness test to aspire an IT career. Once you clear that, you take it as granted you are 100% deserved to aspire a rewarding IT career. Rest of the things I take care of. Next phase is Python 50. 50 represents 15 real world projects and all that. Actually, a separate video I have recorded. I have to give you a lot of information. With half information, no information, don't move forward. Here, 50 real world projects I give you, and in the same spirit, if you take the master class as the first project, remaining 49 projects you have to complete. For that, whatever you need, everything I am going to provide. You may get it out. How can I explain concepts? I am going to provide you a video book. Here, 300 concepts are there, 200 projects are there. Everything through videos I can explain. I provide you a learning management system. Don't worry about that. I have given a detailed video and watch the video, then you can have 100% information about this. How to get the best benefit out of this masterclass? For that purpose, just to download the ebook. Actually, in the description box or comments, I am providing you the link for downloading ebook. Download the ebook, take a printout, don't depend on soft copy. Actually, for learners and all that, hard copy is very essential and all that. And then learn step by step. That is very essential and all that. This ebook is not an ordinary ebook. It contains everything what you need. Actually, it provides you not only study notes, video lectures, concept-wise, program-wise, programs, projects, detailed explanation, updates, and everything what you need to finish the master class. Once you are able to finish this master class, as I told you already, it proves your fitness for an IT career. No doubt about that. And one more thing, finally, I am telling you, once you finish this master class, it stands as a milestone in your career journey. That is my guarantee.